Hello guys, welcome to part 4 of this affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. Now, in the world of affiliate marketing, you can promote either digital products or physical products. Now, it's up to you to promote whether it can be a low ticket offer or a mid ticket offer or a high ticket offer of 5,000, 10,000, even $50,000. In this tutorial, we are going to see one of the most beginner friendly platforms, the affiliate platform called Warrior Plus, where you can start promoting digital products as low as $5, even $7, or even $0. So in this training tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the Warrior Plus platform and how to choose your offers and also how to obtain your tracking links from Warrior Plus and also how to get your JV information and also how to track your statistics. Now, when you log into Warrior Plus platform. Now this is going to be the home page, and here you can see the dashboard, and you can see the different tabs available over here, which is the marketplace, vendors, and affiliates. Now, as a beginner, we are going to be the affiliates and not the vendor. Vendors are the one who are going to list out these products. So you can see over here, Vocal Vibes AI by Yogesh Agarwal. Now Yogesh Agarwal is the vendor over here, and so on. You can see the different products and the different product owners and affiliates. This tab is especially for the affiliates marketplace, and over here you can see the home page, and here you can see the top products. Now this is the top products, different products that are performing right now. You can see for today, and you can see the different products that are getting sales very good at this moment of time. And when you click on yesterday, you can see the different products that are performing well yesterday and last 7 days, and you can also see for the last 30 days. Now you can go to the affiliate offers over here. You can see this all offers over here, and when you click on this down button over here, you can see the different all offers, unrequested only, all requested offers, approved only, pending only, denied only, my offers. Now these are the different statuses. So which are approved to you, it will show under this category, and which are pending for approval, it will show under this category, and which are denied by the product owners, it will show under this category. And here you can see the my offers. This is especially for the product owners where they have their own product, and it's for them to use this tab. Now when you click on this fast profit system, just to get to know what this sales page is all about and the JV information, when you click on this link over here, you can see this offer, and it's saying that you must be approved by GK Marketing to promote this offer. So I have to request for approval for this particular offer, and once it is requested and approved, affiliate link will appear over here for you, and you can see the overview of this product and funnel map and products, and you can see the product owner over here and the offer stats over here, and you can also view the sales page over here by clicking on this link. When you click on the products over here, you can see it is a free at the front end, which is priced at $0, and at the back end you can see the different products that are being promoted by the same vendor. It's around $14 and it's around $147, and this is going to be a solo ad traffic, I suppose. And you can see the different funnel offers. Maybe it might be upsell or a downsell, and you can see it's a fast profit system upgrade 81497, and the commission rates over here, you can see the commission rates. When you click on the funnel map over here, you can see the different upsells and the downsells in this product. Now you can see over here, there are so many. This is the front end, which is $0, which is pretty much free, and from there you can see the upsell, and this is the downsell. And over here you can again see when they upgrade to this, they are again upsell with the upgrade 2, and then if they don't choose this, then they are downsell with another discount. Now let's see how to select an offer based on the data available in our Warrior Plus. Now when you see, there are different data available for a particular offer, which is the release date, the date when the product was released into the market, and the number of sales, and the conversion rate, the visitor value, average sale, and refund rate. Top 3 requirements that you always need to look into before selecting a product is, first is the number of sales. Always look for a product that has got high number of sales. And the second is the conversion rate. Now the conversion rate also matters because how well the product is from converting right now. And the last one will be the refund rate. And naturally, we have to go for the product that has a very low refund rate. Let's look into some of the products that are very good in converting and how to choose them. So over here, you can see the different affiliate products that are being currently promoted, that are recently launched. And when you see over here, AI Millionaire, which has been launched last month, which is the 26th of August 2024, and the sales is currently 2000 plus, and the conversion rate is 6%, and the refund rate is 5%. Now, naturally, the conversion rate is higher. 6% is not that good, but it's good. But you can see the average dollars per sale, which is $40. It's very good, and you can always choose this product to promote at this moment. Over here, you can see the Auto Affiliate AI. Now, this product has been launched on 4th of April 2024, and it has got around more than 10,000 sales. And you can see the conversion rate of 9% and a refund rate of 12%, which is a bit high. But when considering this average sale, which is around $44 per sale, then you can always try to promote this product. And when you come over here, you can see this RPM 3.0, which is around 250,000 plus sales, which is very huge. And it has been launched on 5th of October 2022, and it has a very good conversion rate of 61%, which is huge. And you can see the refund rate is 1%, which is pretty much zero, you can say. And the average dollar per sale, I think it is pretty much low. It is very low compared to other all products, which is around $4.2. But still, the conversion rate is very good, very high, and you can always start promoting this because you need these kind of products to build your buyers list fast. So you can always go for this product to promote it. And over here, you can see the Gemini AI, which is around 57% conversion rate and 7% refund rate and 500 plus sales. And I think it has been launched in 19th January to 2024. And the average dollars per sale is around $23.58. I think this product has not been promoted by a large number of affiliates. So you have to be really cautious in whether this promoting this product or not. Now, one of the main strategies to use which offer to select in Warrior Plus is to look into the number of sales. If the sales quantity is very high, then don't think that the product is very saturated, because these products are being promoted by a huge number of affiliates out there. Normally, if you think a person who is trying to buy usually takes 7 to 10 times before trying to start buying the product, and they might be on the edge to buy the product. That's why you should normally enter the market at this point of time and trying to promote those kind of offers, and they might even buy from your links. But you should also keep in mind the amount of refund that these kind of offers will have, because they have huge amount of sales, and normally these will have high refund rates sometimes. This is how you need to strategically use the number of sales that our offer has got, and the number of conversion rate, and also the refund rate. Now, you should have a low refund rate and a high conversion rate, and that's how you got to select your product. And also you have to look at the average dollars per sale, which should normally be high. In affiliate marketing space, especially on Warrior Plus, it is impossible to find a product that has a low refund rate or even 0%. Now, in affiliate marketing terms, there are some people called serial refunders who like to consume information out there, and then they try to refund within the refund period. And the product owners sometimes don't like, are not happy with this kind of peoples, and they try to add these email address of these serial refunders into some blacklist kind of thing. But there is a loophole, because anyone can have a different email address and just sign up and try to get their products. Now, let's see how to track your statistics. Now, when you go to the affiliate stats over here, you will reach this page. And here you can see some of the products that I have promoted recently. And you can see the number of hops, number of sales, number of hop conversion, dollars per hop, dollars per sale, and total. Now, you always need to just check the number of sales that you have got and number of dollars per sale you're going to get, and that will add up your value. Now, here you can see for secret email system, I have got around 1652 hops, and the number of sales is 3, and my average dollar per sale is 4.70. And you can see the type for cash, and it is high converting MMO offer, and number of hops is 3376, number of sales is 1, and average dollar per sale is 12.41, which is good. And also RPM 3.0, number of hops is 1434, and number of sales is 6, but the average dollar per sale is very less, it is 82 cents. Now you can always promote RPM because it will add up your buyers list fast, which is very much important when it comes to building our email list using solo ads. You can always promote RPM at the front end. And you can see other offers like Browsing Bank, which has got around 866 hops and 0 sales. I would not consider promoting this product anymore. And Phantom, which has got around 320 hops and 0 sales. I would not consider this product also. 99 rate, 312 hops, but 0 sales. I would not consider promoting this product. And you can always test between AI Millionaire or Auto Affiliate AI because these have got around 147, 170 hops. So definitely you can test these products to some more hops to check whether the product is converting right now. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you not only find products on Warrior Plus, but also you need to find top upcoming launches that may be a low ticket or a mid ticket or a high ticket for offers. Now, the best platform to see what upcoming offers are being launched in the marketplace, the best place is Munchai. Now, when you visit this website called Munchai, you will see the different launches that are upcoming. Now, this is on 30 September, which is today. And these are the big launches and these are the law launches. Now, over here, if you see, all these are hosted on different affiliate marketplaces like JVZoo. This is Fire Launches is hosted on JVZoo, and Yogesh Agarwal's Vocal Vibes AI is hosted on Warrior Plus. And also you can also see the other platforms like you can see over here, this is ClickBank. Now when you go over here, you can see Glenn Kosky Wi-Fi profits, and it is $19 at 50%, which is the front end offer is $19 and the commissions is around 50% at the front end. And Glenn Kosky is a big name in the affiliate marketing space, and especially you're launching new products in Warrior Plus. So when you click on this offer, it takes you to the JV page, and this is nothing but the standard launch which is happening by the vendor Glenn Kosky. Product name is Wi-Fi Profits and launch date is 14th October. Launch time, front end price, commissions, and JV page. Affiliate network and niche is general. So here when you click on the JV page over here, now this is the JV page where you have the links. You can grab your link, your product, cash prices, sales funnel, email swipes and graphics. And you can go and take a look at the sales page preview and the JV document, which is very much necessary, and your email swipes, where you can use these email swipes to promote your offers at the back end. And also you can go and claim your Warrior Plus affiliate link over here. You can click on this and go and get your Warrior Plus affiliate link, and the 7-day launch sign up for JV updates and the launch date and the launch time. And also you can see the prices and why promote this launch, and they are giving a reason to promote this product. And you can see the front end price $17 and one time offer. These are the upsells. So there are almost 6 upsells to this offer, and the cash prices, which is around $4,000. Now when you click on the claim your Warrior Plus affiliate link over here, it will take you to your Warrior Plus platform where you can get the affiliate link. You can just go and click on this request approval. So once you click on the request approval, you need to enter some notes. I generally do not recommend you to write any notes if you don't have any sales. So since a beginner, you don't have any sales, just go and click on request offer. So it will show as your request has been sent to the seller. You will be notified by email when the seller accepts or rejects your request. So you must be approved by Super Warriors to promote this offer. And you can see the funnel maps over here, the products over here. See, you can see the products over here, which is around $17 at the front end, and the commission is 50%. And you can see the upsells over here. There are different upsells and high ticket offers over here. Click on this view sales page. The earlier one which we saw is the JD page, which is exclusive for the affiliates. And this is the sales page, which the persons or buyers will see this page and not the JV page. JV page is exclusively for the affiliates to get the email swipes, they get the affiliate links and get their contact person for the product owner and so on. That's how you can go and check different offers that are upcoming launches, whether it might be a small launch or whether it might be a big launch. You can always go and click on this link, and from there you can request for details, JV documents, email swipes, and any other details that is pertaining to that particular offer in order to promote it. Now, I hope you got all the information regarding the low ticket offers from Warrior Plus. Now, low ticket offer is nothing but anything from $0 to $20 is called a low ticket offer. And you can always start promoting these low ticket offers to your email list, especially using solo ads. And also you can check out the big launches that are coming up on Manchai, where it will show you which are the offers that are coming up, and you can choose any of them to promote to your email list. I hope you got real value out of it. So let's meet in the next part of this training series. Until then, bye.